Hi everybody! You may have seen this tube one time before, because I have another vid on it, previous video. I filmed this tube and I got some arcs in it. But yes, I correct that part. Just a dead end, one electrode in, and that side is connected to the vacuum pump. And yeah, the first, in a previous video I just connected two electrodes straight to the X-ray transformer. But this time I did some modifications on it. I put a spark gap there. It's just a bit of wire which is over the screw. That's input, that's other input. Or that's input, that's output. Yes, and I connect a Leyden jar in parallel with it. So this time I get some flashes, I think, or just a white arc in it. On the other side. So I set up the capacitor, and I connected this chain which have a small impedance, so the ballast doesn't ballast so much anymore, so I get some more juice inside that one. More voltage, more current. But who cares about current? That capacitor has lots of current and is charged up, so not so much current from that one, but that one will give a shot in that one at last. This is small links up there, and bottom area is just bigger links. Yes. And there's the compressor or the vacuum pump, 220 volt, 1.3 amp, 160 watt. But that one, 50 hertz. I don't like 50 hertz. We don't do 50 hertz on this channel. So I connected up to the wall socket, which is not connected anywhere. But the other one goes to the VFD, which is set on 83.6 hertz. I'm gonna crank that up after when I do the video to 90 hertz or 100 maybe. But this is how it ramp up. Just gonna push direction 2, and let's just see how it ramp up. Yes, and that's the frequency output, and that's the setup frequency. It's connected to ballast as well, and the X-ray transformer is connected to this variac. It's variac all the way in there. It's a 3-phase variac, but I just use one of the toroids and not the 3. And that have ballast as well. And variac is connected to that wall socket, but it's not on the wall now, it's on the computer desk. And that goes to that. It's connected to another wire, and that wire goes to the X-ray transformer. So I'm gonna turn the compressor on first, and after that I'm gonna put voltage to the X-ray transformer. 20 kV I think, 25 kV. Some arcs in there. bigger spark gap. This is with no spark gap, and that's 0.5 millimeters above it. I'm gonna disconnect the capacitor and see what happens. Although lots of corona outfit. Capacitor is disconnected. This is how the ARC looks like when the capacitor is disconnected. I'm gonna connect the capacitor back. Connect the X-ray transformer. Now I'm gonna connect the capacitor in parallel, in series, and see what happens. But always discharge. That part can come off. So now the capacitor is in series with that little tube. Nothing happens. Yes, now we get the nice purple arc inside it. A bit hard to see. Smells corona. No, ozone. I mean. Lots of ozone in here. Here are the spark gaps. I'm gonna test to connect the two ends of the capacitor together and see what happens. Small arc. Yes, now everything is disconnected. So that's it for that tube. It's a bit hot. Let's round the electrodes. And always discharge capacitor. Small spark. So, thanks for watching.